Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Dropbox file syncing for seamless Premiere Pro projects. Open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. Log into your Dropbox account using your credentials. If you don't have a Dropbox account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Once logged in, click on the Download button to get the Dropbox desktop application. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the application on your computer. After installation, open the Dropbox application and sign in with your account details. Locate the Dropbox folder on your computer. It should be under your user directory. To enable file syncing, make sure that the Dropbox application is running in the background. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing project that you want to sync. Go to the File menu and select Project Settings. In the Project Settings, look for the Scratch Disks tab. Set the Scratch Disks location to your Dropbox folder. Click OK to save the changes. Now, every time you save your project, it will automatically sync to Dropbox. To verify syncing, check your Dropbox folder for the project files. You can also install Dropbox on your mobile devices for access on the go. With these steps, your Premiere Pro projects will be seamlessly synced across all devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.